Do you know what's the most difficult part about starting an e-commerce business? The answer is sales and marketing for your e-commerce business. Now, a lot of time people want to start selling products, but they don't want to really do the selling. Yeah. So today I'm going to share with you a few different types of e-commerce marketing for beginners and where you can learn how to improve your online sales and marketing skills. Today, we're going to discuss more about e-commerce marketing for beginners, especially for Malaysia's small business. First thing is that in promoting your products, there are always two. Now, when I say product, it can be your services as well. There's a free, or in the online world, we call organic traffic. So it's a free method, and there's another paid method, which is ads. Ads means advertising. So it depends on where you want. So as marketers, we would prefer paid rather than organic because yeah, we like free and organic, but it's slow, especially when you're new. So we will focus on paid ads because it's faster and we control where we want, and we can zoom into really the target customers that we want, and you can see results. It's like almost immediately once your ads is approved by once it's approved by the advertisers. Usually online marketing, there are two big advertising giants. One is, of course, Google's, because when you want to find some things, do you Google it? Yeah. Now, the second is the largest social media, which is Facebook. Now, these are the two big platforms that you can target to learn how to start your e-commerce marketing. Now, of course, there are others like Bing's ads, LinkedIn. Now TikTok is coming out. So, but my suggestion is that start with these two. Learn these two first, and then you will, depends on who your target customers, where do they use. If you want really young people, 16 to 20 years old, most probably they're in TikTok. Then you may want to go learn about TikTok ads. But for majority, Google's and Facebook is already enough for you to master and make money in your e-commerce business. So the best place to learn marketing for free, the first one will be, of course, from Facebook. We call it Facebook Blueprints. So you don't know, you can just Google Facebook Blueprint, it will take you, or you can find the so-called URL here, facebook.com/business/learn. Okay, so let me take you to the website. Okay, if you don't know the link, just Google Facebook Blueprint, and this will be the first one for Facebook Blueprint, free online training for advertising. Okay, so you're going because I'm in Malaysia, so all this is in Bahasa Malaysia, is in Malay language. All right, so I can click this off. All you need is scroll down to the bottom and then find the English UK here. All right, so then it will change to English for you. Okay, so basically this is the site that you want to go to, and then all you need is just log in using your Facebook ID, and then it will tells you there's a lot of things to learn inside, and even if you want, you can even get a certification. Yeah, I believe they will charge you something on that certification. So there are like courses, complete guide to advertising with Facebook Ads Manager, complete guide to creating Facebook ads from your page, complete guide using Instagram account for your business. So you want to use Instagram, right? This is another platform, but Instagram and Facebook actually belongs to the same company. So you do the Instagram ads inside the Facebook ads itself. Yeah. So there's so many courses, right? So go in and register for here, and then learn first. Okay, you want to go for more advanced because different countries you will have different preferences because of the user or the consumer behavior. So, but you must know this basic first. So usually my students, when they come to the class, I will ask them to go through this so that when I share the strategies, they'll be able to understand. Besides Facebook Blueprint, the next one is, of course, is Google. Google call it Google Skillshop. So the URL is skillshop.withgoogle.com, or if you do not know, just search for Google Skillshop. Let me take you to the webpage. Search for Google Skillshop. All right, so this is the first one, Google Skillshops. So same thing here, you want to learn like Google Get Certified, Google Ads, you want to learn about Google Ads. There are all types of certification here. So you want even like Google My Business, this is for local marketing. Yeah. So all you need is log in with your Google ID, and then you can learn from here. There's a lot of information in here. Now, I hope this video will show you where to find, and I want you to go through this training because it gives you the basic. Before you want to do some sophisticated, you must have your basic foundations. Facebook Blueprint and Google Skillshops will give you good enough foundations. I also always come back to learn from these sites because they always have new things, yeah, new features in Facebook ads and Google ads so that we can utilize them. So this is the place where I go to learn on my online marketing skills. So I hope these are the two areas that you can go to and start learning to build up your sales and marketing skills. Because when you're a small business, the most important thing is that besides you have good products, is of course your sales and marketing. So if you don't know how to do sales and marketing, even you got the best products, nobody will buy from you. If you like this video, I will invite you to subscribe to my channel. So in every week, we will publish videos on tips of how to improve your e-commerce and how to start up your e-commerce.